This house has no air conditioner, no fans, nothing. But inside, it's 10 degrees cooler than the street outside. Meanwhile, your brand new house is basically an oven with a mortgage. How is that possible? Same sun, same summer, completely different result. The answer isn't magic. It's a secret builders used for centuries and forgot. Once you see how they did it, you'll never look at your walls the same way again. Stay with me. This isn't just history, it's the fix you need right now. Every summer, millions of people crank their AC to the max and still feel the heat. Their electricity bill doubles. Their house still feels like a furnace by 3 p.m. Why? Because modern homes are built fast, cheap, and thin. Thin walls, big glass windows, low ceilings, a perfect recipe for trapped heat. Modern homes are designed to look good in photos, not to survive a heat wave. And it's getting worse. Summers are hotter, bills are higher, comfort is disappearing. We build smarter phones, smarter cars, but somehow dumber houses. So why did our grandparents' houses stay cool without spending a single dollar on electricity? They didn't have air conditioning. They didn't need it. Something about the way they built kept the heat outside where it belonged. And once builders discovered a cheaper way, that secret disappeared. In the 1800s, builders didn't have machines, but they understood something we forgot. They studied the sun. They studied the wind. They built with nature, not against it. Look closely at an old house, and you'll notice something strange about the walls. They're not just thick for strength, they're thick for temperature. This is called thermal mass, and it might be the most underrated invention in history. Thick walls absorb heat slowly, so slowly it never reaches the inside during the day. By the time the heat gets through, the sun has already gone down. That's not the only trick. Look up. Old homes had ceilings twice as high as modern ones. Hot air rises. High ceilings give it somewhere to go, far away from your head. Then there are the windows, tall, narrow, and placed on opposite walls, not for looks. That placement creates something modern homes rarely have, real airflow. It's called cross-ventilation. Wind enters one side and pulls the hot air out the other. No electricity, no machine, just wind doing the job for free. And then there's the porch. That deep shaded space wasn't just for sitting, it was a heat shield, blocking direct sun before it ever touched the walls. Every design choice had one purpose: keep the heat out before it gets in. This wasn't luck, it was quiet, forgotten engineering. Let's break it down. Secret number one, the material. Old homes used stone, brick, adobe, or rammed earth, dense, heavy, slow to heat up. Modern homes use thin plywood, drywall, and foam, light, cheap, fast to heat up. It's the difference between a thick winter coat and a paper shirt. Secret number two, wall thickness. Old walls were often 40 to 60 centimeters thick. Modern walls, sometimes less than 15 centimeters. That's the entire difference. Thicker walls mean heat takes longer to travel through, hours longer. Secret number three, color. Old homes were often painted white, cream, or light stone tones. Light colors reflect sunlight. Dark colors absorb it like a sponge. That's why old Mediterranean towns are almost blindingly white. It's not style, it's survival. Secret number four, window placement and size. Old windows were small on the sun-facing side and larger where breeze naturally flowed. Modern homes often do the opposite. Giant glass walls facing direct afternoon sun. Glass doesn't block heat. Glass invites it in and traps it. Secret number five, shutters. That wooden panel outside wasn't decoration. It closed in the afternoon. They blocked heat completely before it touched the glass. Secret number six, roof design. Old roofs were steep with wide overhangs. That overhang blocked high summer sun, but let in low winter sun. Smart, silent balance. Secret number 7, courtyards. Many old homes were built around an open center. That courtyard created a cool air pocket, pulling fresh air through every room. Secret number 8, trees. Old homes were never built in bare, empty land. Trees weren't just beautiful, they were natural air conditioners placed on purpose. Secret number 9, basements and cellars, deep, dark, and always cool. Underground, temperature barely changes. Old homes used that constant coolness to their advantage. Old homes used chimney airflow too. Even without fire, chimneys pulled hot air up and out. It worked like a natural vent. Heat rises, escapes, and never lingers indoors. Every single one of these secrets cost nothing to run. 0 electricity, 0 bills. Modern homes replaced all of this with one machine, the air conditioner. Convenient, yes, but it hides the real problem instead of solving it. Some architects are now bringing these old secrets back, and the results are shocking. Homes with thick walls and cross ventilation stay up to 10 degrees cooler naturally. That means lower electricity bills, sometimes cut in half. Less AC use means less strain on the power grid during heat waves. And there's a health benefit too. Natural airflow means fresher indoor air. No mold, no stale trapped air, just a house that breathes the way it was designed to. Homeowners who apply even a few of these tricks report feeling the difference within days. One simple fix is painting a dark roof lighter. It alone can drop indoor heat noticeably. Opening 2 opposite windows for cross breeze costs nothing and works instantly. Planting 1 shade tree near a sun-facing wall can lower wall temperature significantly over time. These aren't old ideas anymore. They're the smartest modern solutions hiding in the past. So the next time you feel your house burning under the sun, remember this. The coolest homes in history were never the most expensive ones. They were the smartest ones, built with patience, not shortcuts. We traded that wisdom for speed, and we're paying for it every summer. But now you know the secret. The question is, will you use it? Because somewhere right now, an old house is staying cool while doing absolutely nothing at all.